Look, this store sale 350,000 digital wall art in the past 1 year. And this, and this, and this. If you're interested in creating printable wall art on Etsy but think it's too saturated or get few orders yet, this video is for you. How to get passive income faster on Etsy. How to get 100 plus order in first month. Is digital wall art too saturated? Like this, and this. There's still some chance for new in-seller, but you need find the right niche. So we learn all these kinds of pages and find the best workflow to create real sell digital wall art. I will show you how to do this step by step. Let's start. The first step is find low competition, but high demand wall art style. You can use any Etsy keywords tool. Try to find the keywords with green indicators for view, favorites, competition, and sales. Let's choose compass wall art as an example. Then we need to search this keyword on Etsy. Most compass wall art on Etsy is not digital. It's made of metal or is 3D wall art. This suggests that Etsy customers may like this style. Additionally, we can see that simple compass digital art also sells well, indicating a good opportunity for passive income. You can also discover all the top-selling products that have video demonstrations. For digital products, we can easily create these showcase videos, and I'll demonstrate that later. Now, let's start to create our digital art. Visit Midjourney's gallery and search for Compass. You'll find a wealth of viral content there. You can gather inspiration from these posts and also find their captions. Once you find the one that resonates with you the most, simply copy their caption and paste it on Midjourney. Don't forget to add the keyword of top seller. Then we can get our viral digital art. Step 3. Create mockup. When we look up wall art on Etsy, the first image is typically a mockup. And when we hover over the product, we can view the showcase video. Now let's create some mockups for these AI images. Creating a set of wall art is simple with this free tool. Typically, sets come in numbers like 3, 6, or 9. You can easily upload your images and obtain these mockups. If you need more mockups, you can also find a variety of visual mockups on Midjourney effortlessly. The final step in creating listings that sell is adding videos. As you can observe from the successful stores mentioned above, they all include videos for their listings. When customers hover over the product, engaging video content is more appealing than regular images. Additionally, videos can convey more information, aiding customers in making quicker decisions. According to Etsy's official data, sellers with videos receive twice as many orders. To get started, let's head over to Boolvideo. Click on the AI video creator interface, upload images, then select the product purpose, select ratio, give me a surprise. Oh my gosh, the split screen looks perfect. The zoom in and out effects make the images seem to move. There are even auto-generated text descriptions. No more struggling to come up with a copy. This upbeat song is great for a lively wall art piece. I really like it. This is perfect for an Etsy seller video. I can just save it and use it as is. Let's look at this video. If you want to edit the video, click Edit. Note the tips. When editing the images, be sure to edit at the keyframe positions. Otherwise, you'll end up with multiple keyframes and the images will move around erratically like this. All right, let's check out the final product. Here are the steps broken down. Look for the right words people are searching for and find what you're good at. Make stuff using popular words that aren't too competitive. 3. Create a preview of your digital wall art. 4. Make videos out of these cool pictures. Simply follow the 4 steps, and in just 1 hour, you can create 10 listings. After that, you can begin to see actual sales within a month, similar to other Etsy sellers. The secret is to keep going, keep making new wall art, and find the style that works best for you. If you want more tips on making money on Etsy, click the subscribe button. If you have any questions, feel free to comment, and I'll answer them all.